children? How you all? Are you fine, ma? Okay. Have you completed your breakfast? Okay, children. Now we are going to discuss the remaining two Romans in exercise 1.1. Already we completed A Roman writing the place values and the B Roman basing on the place value chart you have to write the number name. Those two topics completed. Now I am going to start the C topic. Write the number for the number name. Write the number for the number name. They only give us the number name and we have to write the number regarding to that number name. Okay, children? How you have to write? In the previous class already I told you two sums. Now the third sum I am going to start, children. See the third one. 64 crore 99,000. 64 crore 99,000. 64 crore 99,000. 903. 903. Children, look at it. 64 crore 99,903. Okay, how you will write the number using on the number, basing on the number name? How you will write the number, children? See this 64 crore. That means the place value should be up to 10 crore. Yes, na? First write the place values, children. Right? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. Okay, basing on the place values, we have to insert the numbers regarding to the question. Yes, ma'am. First, 64 crore. 64 crore. 99,000. Not yet given any type of lakhs. Yes, ma'am. They didn't given any type of any lakh name. Yes, ma'am. So keep zeros at lakhs, please, no? And then put comma. Next one, 99,000. 99,000. 903. 900. Like that you can write it. Fourth one, 79 crore. 79 crore. 79 crore 80,012. 80,012. 80,012. How will they will write the number name? Number they write the they given the number name. You have to write the number. Yes, na? First 79 crore. Why we are writing the numbers? Why we are writing the place values while writing means without writing any type of mistake. Sometimes we will miss here. They didn't give lakh place. If we miss this number, it will be wrong. For that purpose only, we write the place values first. Okay. What are those ones? Tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. What is the first one? 79 crore. 79 crore. Next, 80,000. Here also not yet given any type of lakhs place. So keep zeros at lakhs place. Next, 80,000. 80,000. 12. Not given hundreds place also. 0, 1. If you not write the place values, children, you will write while writing the zeros. You will write mistakes while writing the zeros. So for that purpose only, we are repeating. We are again and again repeating to write the place values or writing the number. Okay. Fifth one, 99 crore, 99 lakh, 99,009. 99 crore. 99 crore. 99 lakh. 99 lakh. and 9. Okay, how you will write the place values? See that as usual. I think you can't see that. I'll write some words up. Now you are okay to see? Yes. Right. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. See the first one, children. 99 crore. 99 crore. 99 crore. Next. 99 lakh. Next. 99,000. And 9, not given hundreds and tens places also. And 9, so 0, 0. Like that you can write the number using the number name. Okay children. Next you go to the last Roman in this exercise, Dewey Roman. Complete the patterns. Patterns means you have to complete the series basing on the number. They give one number, change it. And remaining all will be the same. So we have to complete the pattern and you have to continue that. Filling the missing numbers. Filling the missing numbers. To continue the pattern. Filling the missing numbers to continue the pattern. Okay, how you will fill that and how you will complete the pattern once in each. See the first question, children. What they asked us? They asked us to write or to complete the pattern. Okay, how you will complete the pattern? First we have to check what is the difference between these two numbers what was given. First you have to check the difference. What is the difference, children? 67 lakh 21,057. 67 lakh 22,000. If you observe the difference between these two, see that 67 lakh 22,058, 67 lakh 21,058. If you observe the difference between these two numbers, 57, you will get the idea what is the difference between these sequences. 1, 0, 0, 2 minus 1, 1 and remaining all zeros. So what is the difference between these two numbers? 1,001 is the difference. So if you add 1,001, you will get the next number. Yes, na? So 67 lakh 22,058 plus 1,001. Find 8 plus 1, 9. 5 plus 0, 5, 0 plus 0, 0, 2 plus 1, 3, 2, 6, 7. So now you will write 67 lakh 23,059. See, go to the next sum. Okay, 67,020. Here 22,000 plus 1,001, you will get that answer. This answer plus 1,001, if we do means we will get the answer. 67 lakh 23,059 plus 1,001 plus 1,001. 5, 9 plus 1, 10. 5 plus 1, 6, 0. 3 plus 1, 4. 2 and 7. 6. So the answer is 67 lakh 24,060. 67 lakh 24,060. Children, if you observe, there may be change. You can find here and here. Yes, na? So one after one number we are writing. So basing on that we can write by choosing these two numbers. Here 4 and here 0 may be changed. 1 and 1 for place ones. 67 lakh 25,061. If you know directly, you can write, or else you can do the process while writing the patterns. Okay, ma? Next one, 3 crore 40 lakh 51,000. 3 crore 40 lakh 51,278. Next, 3 crore 41 lakh 51,278. See the numbers, once you through that. If you observe these two numbers, where the difference takes place, where the change takes place, not difference, where the change takes place, in what place value the change takes place. If you observe that here 3 crore equal 3 crore, here 40 lakh, here 41 lakh. So at lakhs place the change takes place. Yes, na? At lakhs place the change takes place. So 40 after 41 they wrote. So what will come in the next pattern, children? 41 lakh after 42 lakh something. What the given we have, right? 3 crore 42 lakh 51,278. Next, 3 crore 41 lakh after 42 lakh we wrote none. Now 43 lakh 51,278. 3 crore 44 lakh 51,278. Like that you can write. Yes, na? Go to the fourth one, third one. 70 lakh 21,000. 70 lakh 21,761. 70 lakh 21,861. So if you observe where the change takes place, at hundreds place, at here 70 lakh 21,761, here 7 lakh 21,861. At the place where hundreds place the change takes place. 7 after they wrote 8. As usual they write the number. So you have written 70 lakh 21,961. After writing 9, we will 9 after what you will get at 10. We need not to write 10 directly. So at hundreds place the place change place takes place now. So now you add 70 lakh 21,961 plus 100. If you add, you will get 1 plus 0, 1, 6 plus 0, 6, 9 plus 1, 10. So next value 1 plus 1, 2, 2, 7, 0. So write that. 70 lakh 22,061. 0 after what will come? 1 will come. So 70 lakh 22,161. Okay, children? Next one. Fourth one. 6 crore 72 lakh 26,021. 6 crore 82 lakh 26,021. They are asking to write the next 3 numbers in this pack. Okay. Here, if you observe these 2 numbers, where the change takes place, children? At 10 lakhs place. 7 after they wrote 8. 8 after what you will get? 9. 6 crore 92 lakh 26,021. 9 after you will get 10. But we need not write like that. So 6 crore 92,026 lakh 26,092 lakh 26,021 class. The change takes place at 10 lakh. So add 10 lakh. Right, 1 plus 0, 1, 0 plus 2, 2, 0, 6, 2 plus 0, 2, 2 plus 0, 2, 9 plus 1, 10. So before number becomes 7. So now the answer is 7 crore 2 lakh 26,021. 2 lakh after what will get here? 10 after 0 after 1 you will get. So 10 lakhs. 7 lakh 7 crore 12 lakh 26,021. Okay. Last one left. I will tell you now. Look at that. Fifth one now. See the fifth one. 48 crore 62 lakh 36,506. Next 58 crore 62 lakh 36,506. They are asking to write the next three numbers in this pattern. If you observe, the change takes place at 10 crores. The change takes place at 4 after we got 5. So 5 after what you will get at 68 crore 62 lakh 36,506. Next 6 after what you will get 78 crore 62 lakh 36,506. 88 crore 62 lakh 36,506. That you have to write. Okay children, now time limit get completed. So in the next class we will go through the expanded notation and short form notation in exercise 1.2, 1.1 complete. Okay children, till then goodbye. Take care.